upcoming female dancehall artist. Of course, the people them over tropics and quest time I got rub me out in the comment section. And of course, me I go through the comments and laugh because some are not actually funny. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist. Of course, them gonna see me song them not ready until my boss. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist. Of course, become a brown and have what them called pretty hair. Them gonna see I look alone me have. Instead of just going on YouTube to actually check out my songs to realize that I'm talented. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist. Of course, I have some big man and big woman where they too afraid to chase them dreams. Come try tell me not to chase mine. And of course, me not gonna stop chase them. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist with a law degree. First class honors at that. Of course, I'm not gonna say I can't do both, but I know that I can do anything I set my mind to, and anything is possible. So just sit back and watch. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist. Of course, them gonna bash me for sing both the same thing them with them praise them and them for sing both. And of course, me gonna sing both what I want. Big chops, big guns, big hits. Yo, that give me two big tits, big service again, big tick, big drip, big dick. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist. I'm a light skin, so of course I'm gonna say I come from uptown, and in a real life, me actually a country girl. I'm an upcoming female dancehall artist, and of course me believe in myself, and of course me I got big like Bob Marley funeral. Check out my songs.